How to get a Binance API key. Here is the step-by-step process we will follow. Go to the Account API Management section and click on New API. Select Self-Generated. Give your API key a name and click Next. We will then complete the necessary security verifications. This is the most important part. After clicking Edit Restrictions, you must enter the specific IP address that will be sent to you into this field and click Confirm. After that, you can select all other options as shown, except for Enable Withdrawals. Finally, click Save to save the key. Important security notice: the secret key is only visible one time. Because of this, you must save the secret key somewhere safe immediately. Do not share your keys with anyone. For our security, we delete this key after.